Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today's video is going to be a Zara haul. Just going to jump straight into it and just show you what a few pieces that I picked up. First thing I will show you, I will insert a shot. I'm going to be trying on. I did get this leather jacket. It's been very popular. You've probably seen it everywhere on Instagram. I do really like the jacket, to be fair. It's not real leather, in case you're wondering. So I know some people aren't. You can usually see this on the, if you look on the Zara website. Pretty decent price. I believe it's £59.99, so not too bad for Zara. I did actually return it just because that was a size large that I'm trying on here, but I think they just didn't have bigger in store. It's a cargo and buy outside, so I stopped getting bigger basically. So even though it's a crop fit, I still like it a bit more oversized. That nice jacket is actually grey. I don't know if you can tell. I do usually prefer leather jacket to be black. I still think it's pretty cool. So yeah, only problem is a lot of people have it, so that's the only problem if you want to look kind of different. Next I picked up just like a basic top with shoulder pads, and in all honesty I was thinking of taking this back, but I'm gonna be honest with you, hopefully no one Zara's watching this. I tried it on and it's got a bit of makeup, a tiny bit of makeup. I think that was me, so I'm not sure. And I'm like, oh, it doesn't matter, you can always have, I mean, I know it's all about just a really good quality one of each thing rather than buying loads, but I do get through a lot of basic tops. I'm sure most people do. It has the shoulder pads. In fact, tops like this were big a couple of years back, but and it was grey, £15.99. Maybe that's, it's got a size large, which is the biggest size. Maybe that's quite pricey for Zara. It's basics, I don't know. Clash of the basic. Next I picked, I literally had all these stuff. I've moved house, but you probably can't tell. The backdrop probably looks the same to you. I need to get a picture of something behind me. Camera cut out them basically because my memory card was full, which is annoying. Wait, I'm wearing the Skins, can you even see I'm wearing the Skins bodysuit, by the way, I love them. But anyway, next thing I got was these black combats. Combats have been having a bit of a moment, haven't they? I do have a pair from Jade London, which are quite popular online also. Maybe like, I want to say £60, was it £80? If it's £80, that's quite expensive, but yeah, and I've worn them a lot to be fair, but they're not perfect to me, not the perfect combat. They probably had the perfect combats in, I don't want to say the name of the brand, because you know, Balenciaga, but I wouldn't buy stuff from them right now anyway. But their trousers used to look like they were very tall girl friendly, because I'm 5'8" for reference, but obviously wouldn't purchase them now, unfortunately. Maybe not unfortunately for my bank balance, because they wouldn't be the cheapest. Anyway, the Jade London ones to me aren't perfect. They're just a bit, I'm really funny about trousers length. I think I've mentioned before, they could be longer, I think. Even I've worn them a lot. These ones from Zara, even though they're only £35.99, surprisingly enough, they're actually really quite, I got them in quite a big size. I got them in extra large. They are really big, quite big for me, but the length, they're a bit weird though. I mean, they're not, £35.99 isn't really that expensive in all honesty, so I can't expect too much really, especially from Zara. That's not even that expensive for Zara. They're a bit weird. They got this like top, I'd rather than been like a drawstring really. And then the bottom's weird actually, because again it has a toggle again, and you got these long sort of strings. It's almost a bit, it's designed, but I don't know if I like that. And you can pull them in at the bottom, and you can do this with Jade London ones as well, but it's a string. So these are really like, whereas the Jade London ones, I never got a picture that I can insert of me wearing them. You tie it and you can't, it doesn't just hang there. This just hangs. It's a bit a bit so, but they are good lengthwise, and I do struggle lengthwise, and they are really reasonably priced. Just because I forgot something in my other room, but I'll get it in a minute. Next up I got these jeans. Someone had linked them on her Instagram, a girl that I really have a star, she's called Sophie. I can't remember her surname unfortunately. They're called the Long Rise Baggy Skater, and they look cool because to me they had quite like a low crotch, which some people might not, and to the pocket some people might not like, but I thought that looked cool. I really stopped buying black denim because I have quite a lot of black denim jeans, not really much blue denim, and blue denim is quite nice now it's spring summer. They were £45.99, so not bad for jeans really at all. I got two sizes, but I kept the biggest size again just because I have quite big thighs and bum, so even though my waist is small, it's like getting them over my hips. And the other smaller size did fit. I really debate, because these are really quite big on the waist now, which is going to be, I don't know how they're going to stay up really. I do think they look cool for the length of them on me, size up. I haven't worn much stuff yet because I've just been because I've moved house, so I've just been wearing casual, like, you know, clothes to move, and also I just want to keep the stuff to the side to do a haul for you guys, not it will get lost, so I can hang it all up and actually wear it. Is a boiler suit, a denim boiler suit, or jumpsuit, so you probably either love or hate these. I have a black denim one from Topshop I bought absolutely years ago, because obviously Topshop was only available in ASOS, but it's one of those pieces that I've had for years and years, but I still keep it, and I think, yeah, it's really nice Topshop one actually. I wanted a blue denim one because, again, for spring summer, and I think they're not gonna, they always look, I feel like wearing a jumpsuit always looks like you kind of made a bit of an effort. And I've seen quite a few people with blue denim ones, they look really cool. It's just got buttons on the front, and I think my top one has a zip, or maybe I can't remember, and bottom is literally like it's a pair of jeans, maybe, obviously. But and I got this in XXL. So yeah, like this is, I guess they could be more size inclusive Zara, couldn't they? Of course, there are obviously people bigger than me, and if I'm getting the bigger size, there's, because I'm tall and I'm just really funny about fit. I like sometimes to have more of a relaxed fit in things, and this is still quite fit around my bum. Now I've actually now seen that they have an oversized one in Zara, because this was £59.99, so not the cheapest. But I look at jumpsuits like, okay, but they're a whole outfit, so you don't have to, it's not like you buy a top for this price and you've got to go and buy tries as well for an outfit. I mean, you get what I mean. Obviously you lose stuff in your wardrobe, but jumpsuits are a whole outfit is what I'm trying to say. A bit pricier, but they've now got a baggy fit one. I'm gonna always try that one, so, because I do want to obviously get the perfect one if I'm spending the money. So yeah, you can wear it casually with a pair of trainers, some sandals, or you can put, I think I done a styling reel with it, wearing it, trying it on. I wore a pair of heels to dress it up. You could wear like you could try like a red lip with it. It could look, this crop blazer. I've been wanting a crop black blazer for a long time, and I never got around to getting one. I got a crop brown blazer from Zara on sale as a part of a suit years ago, but I really just thought I'd rather I'll keep it simple and have black. I think they can be different to like the standard blazer, kind of cut at the waist, and then if you have a small waist, quite flattering, where it's high waisted, can look quite cool. This one was, I think, I don't know if I pronounced her name, Nori Anna. I think she linked this one, I think she did a haul, and it's £59.99, so it's okay. And sale here. One thing about this, I know oversized fit, as I've said, but I know this is actually a bit too big for the look I want. I really need to check the receipt. I hope the return date hasn't gone by for me, so I've been so busy moving, as I said, because I did want to try the next size down. It's quite big, and I'm like, oh, it's supposed to be a crop blazer, so I think it could be a bit more cropped on me. But it's just a nice, quite classic piece, really. You could wear this with high-waisted jeans. You can wear this black trousers to make a super different look. It being cropped, which is, I think, you can keep for a while if you want an alternative to the standard black oversized blazer that we all tend to kind of have in our wardrobes already. Last piece is a piece that I was really hunting down. I've seen this on Instagram and places. I think it went a bit viral. Called, on the label they have names, the fitted denim dress in dark. This on Melissa's wardrobe. You guys, I'm sure you know her. I think, was it? No, I think maybe I sent other people first, but she had it, and I was like, oh, I think it's quite expensive, really. It's $49.99. It comes in quite a few sizes, which is good. It was sold out. I'm a bit of a crazy one. I will just keep checking to see if it will get restocked. It's strapless. I wouldn't always go for strapless because I prefer to wear like a proper bra to like support my bust, but I think it's okay. It is got a hidden zip down the back, kind of hidden. It is sort of like it's like long midi length on me. It would be longer if you're shorter than me, so I'm quite tall. Surprisingly, even though it is obviously figure hugging and bodycon, it is I think it's quite flattering the way they've made it. I think it looks cool. I like the fact it's dark denim. Colours are quite usually got more flattering, aren't they? Got a split the back. It's got like a raw hem actually. Yeah, denim's having like, it's weird to say denim's having a big moment because I mean we all, I'm sure, wear denim a lot, but yeah, like lots of nice denim dresses and stuff in the stores. That is what I picked up, guys. Hope you guys saw something you liked. Maybe I'll leave links in the description, guys. If you guys please subscribe to my channel. I am going to be trying to upload regular videos each week on Instagram or TikTok. I will leave the links. I do post on those really quite frequently. See you guys all very soon in the next video. Bye for now.